Hi everyone, so I am back on YouTube. I've been gone for almost 2 years and I just kind of took a break from doing videos, but I am back and I am ready to share all the content that I've been sitting on for the last 2 years with you. So I want to do a quick little tutorial for you. I want to make a holiday floral arrangement using this pumpkin that I purchased. So I saw this on Instagram and I was like, oh my God, this is such a great idea. I want to do this before the holidays start. So I wanted to just get this onto YouTube really quickly, and then I will start posting all of the other content that I had for the last 2 years. I know I've been away for some time now, but it's been a crazy ride the last, 2020, 2022. And yeah, I'm just glad to be back and ready to start sharing my life again with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me go over the materials that I'm going to be using quickly. So this is a white pumpkin that I purchased from Michael's. It's a craft pumpkin, so you can actually carve into it. I have a knife, I have wire cutters and some scissors. I purchased all of these floral from Michael's as well. They're doing a 50% off right now. And then I also have just some shipping materials because I want to make sure that when I put my mason jar inside of the pumpkin, it actually like sits up in this, because this is a little larger than what I expected, but we're gonna make it work. So let's see if I can actually cut into this pumpkin. I've never done this before, so you guys are just gonna see how I do it. Trial and error. You know how it goes. All right. Okay. Why is this so hard? I'm sweating. That's it. That's all. I hope you like this tutorial of making this holiday arrangement. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.